Like, share, and subscribe. Welcome. Well, hey, we're going to talk a little bit about the dominant trend in a little bit. Grandpa knows the dominant trend. And it's a beautiful trend. Okay. And I'm going to tell you how you can know for certain that you're in the dominant trend or not. But, well, Grandpa's blinking is backing up what's going on here. And first off, we're on the 15-minute chart. Oh, man, gee, that's a sell signal. I'm going to explain my Hiromatashi Japanese candles to you real quick and how you know an engulfing reversal pattern. You got the big green candle. The body of the next one is green. It's engulfed into it. And then you have the red candle, and that's engulfed into it. That one's engulfed into it. And this is a terrifically strong sell signal. Okay? And it's going down. So we'll go through these here a little bit. Here's the 5-minute. Here again, you have the big green candle. The body of the next one's engulfed into it. Then they did a little bit of a bull flag here to try and fake us out. But look at the wicks at the top there. Plus they're even across the top. That's a sell signal. Sell. Okay, so let's look at the 30-minute. 30-minute, big candle. A lot of wick, a lot of people got stuck up here, a lot of retailers. And you got the green candle engulfed into it, and the red one, and the next one. Oh, man. Strong sell signal in the 30-minute. Oh, let's see. It was a strong buy signal on the way up, too. Hourly. Hourly, it's a dirty sell signal. This candle, the body of it does not fit into it. But this one does, and this one does. So it's a sell signal. I just don't like it. Grandpa don't like it. The 4-hour. Oh, boy. Look at this garbage. Oh, man. This candle here, that's a swing high. And, hey, I guess I could talk about swing high a little bit. All right. First off, let's do the dominant trend. How do you know the dominant trend? Because you need to know that. If you don't know the dominant trend, you're in a world of hurt. Okay, this is the monthly. This from here to there is a little over 11 months. Okay, from this candle to that candle. Well, I could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're on the 12th candle. We're starting the 12th month. And we're in the monthly, and this is an uptrend. We're in a uptrend. You need to know the dominant trend because there's trends all over the place. But then you got to get the weekly. The weekly has to be in a dominant uptrend. And by George, yeah, it is too. Even Hull says we're in an uptrend. So does Grandpa's little yellow lines here. We're really in a tight range there. So then we got to get the daily on board. The daily has to be in an uptrend. Okay, and it is. Oh boy, we're in an uptrend. And it's hugely important because we're going to get a swing low down here shortly. And the only thing that saves you from thinking that you're going to 200 or 210 or 190 or 184 is the fact that we are in a dominant uptrend. That's the only thing that can save your little brain so that you don't, or Grandpa's little brain, I mean, so that he doesn't think that the sky is falling, because it's not. Okay? We are going to get a buying opportunity at 232 and probably below 232. You want to take advantage of that buying opportunity. Okay? So now we've established that we're in a dominant, the dominant trend is up. Okay? Now we're going to look at swing highs and swing lows. Swing highs and swing lows is where the market makers wipe out stop losses on both sides. Okay? It's called a double liquidity breakout or a double fake out pattern. And it starts with a false break swing high. A false break swing high. Now I'll show you one back here, not very long back. This is the 4-hour chart. A little over 2 weeks ago. Okay, you see that, this wick on this thing? That is a false break swing high. And then you got the second part, which is the trap. The second part is the trap. It's the break of the swing low. So the second part, this is the first part of the trap. Here's the second part right here. Went down a little below 227. Okay. They cleaned out the shorts there and they cleaned out the longs there. And their stop losses. So here we have another one. You have, it always starts with a false break swing high. You want to look for the false break swing high. This is it. Then you look for the false break swing low, where she goes down and breaks the swing low. This is it right here. They got murdered here the other day. Here's today, right here. Okay. This is your false break swing high. Okay. It went up here. Nobody expected this. And they all got on the bus, and look at that wick. I'll guarantee you, this was, once they got the retail going up, think about the poor guys that bought up here. Well, plus they got stopped out. The shorts got stopped out. The other guys are buying, and now they're getting massacred. And I'll show you massacre right here. This is a massacre. They're buying up here in these wicks going along. Okay, well, it's fine. It's going to 284. But, I mean, wouldn't it be nice to make a little extra money? Not buy up here. You sell up here, guys, gals, okay? And away we go. All right, so let Grandpa get back to his 4-hour chart. Grandpa never used to like the 4-hour chart. All right. We are going to get what Grandpa believes is a swing low. That's why Grandma is buying at 232. She wants to buy at 232. That's approximately right here. Pretty close. Grandpa could get it. There it is. Perfect. 232. Right where my mouse is. That's where Grandma wants to buy. And it's going to break that. I think it might break 230 or get real close to 230, 231. Could possibly do 227. I don't know. All I know is when you get below 232, start buying. Because she is going to 284, okay, in our near future, maybe a week, couple weeks, 3 weeks, whatever. And you want to get on this bus. Grandpa, did I say she's going to? It's going to 284, not she's going. I'm learning proper language. I hope so. So anyway, you want to buy down here. You don't want to get stopped out down here. My goodness. Get on the bus at 232. You want to be a buyer down here. When the rest of them are on the bus going short, screaming the sky is falling, you want to be buying. This is a false break swing low. It's the trap. They've given us 3 of them in this actually, they have given us 3 of them. This will be the 4th one in this consolidation zone. The market makers are having fun. They don't use stop losses, by the way, and neither should you. Don't do it. And once they're done doing this swing low down here and cleaning everybody out, they're going to follow the dominant trend all the way up to 284, 300 and beyond. And this is what Grandpa sees. My blinking backs it up. Pre-market this morning, they're up at 281 shorting, okay? It's never ending. They've been down in the 222 range, buying 229, 230, buying 205. They were buying 187. They were buying, and you'll see all those numbers, okay? But for right now, they're doing their swing low thingy bopper, okay? And if we look at the smaller time frame, you'll probably see that they're going to do a bull flag. It doesn't matter. Don't get caught up in the hype. We have a reversal signal. Now, if you're just doing short-term dollar trade, this is all fine and dandy, okay? I'm talking swing. That's a few days. To maybe tomorrow we do 232. Maybe the next day. Who knows? But we're going there. They're going to do that swing low just like they've been doing, and you can make some really good money. 5-minute chart. Oh, this is. I'm almost positive it's going to be just a little bull flag now. Looking at this, and the reason is, well, let's see. How old is that candle? I better make sure it's not going to be a red candle first. So we got 3 minutes into this candle. Should stay. I think it's going to stay green. Let's see if this candle stays green. If this candle stays green, this is not a buy signal in the 5-minute. We got one in the 2-minute, but that's just for a jag. And this thing's building a wick. We'll come back to it. Let's look at the 15-minute. That'll give you a sell signal. Look at the cell signal. It's terrific. No reason to get off the bus. We're going where? Right here, 232. Okay, that's where Grandma's buying. That's where you want to buy. Or even a little less, 231 and a half, 231. Buy some shares down here. And who cares if it goes to 227? You're going to get 284. It's going to come back and follow a dominant trend. That's what it does. Grandpa knows, well, Grandma knows stuff. Grandpa just keeps an eye on Grandma to see how much money she's making. That Grandma, look at this 30-minute. Even Hull says it's a sell signal. And what's it say? When my candles are all talking to me now, they talk to Grandpa and they're saying they like Grandma. They're going to 232. Oh, 232. Well, then why is Grandpa buying some staggered out across down here on the way down? Well, I'll tell you why. Because Grandpa knows that stuff bounces back and forth. And I want to take and piddle around and grab a dollar here and there. Grandpa gets bored easy. But predominantly, I'm going to buy at 232 and 231 and see where we're going down there and save back a little of my ammunition. And did real good in my real accounts today, by the way. Actually, I wish I'd do as good as... I was goofing around doing a live stream when I should have been selling more of my shares up at the top. So I ended up missing the bus, so to speak. I got rid of a bunch up here, but I didn't get rid of near as much as I wanted to. But that's another story. We were going to look at what? The 5 minute. We were looking at by George, it did make a green candle and made another one. If this candle was red, it'd be better. It's a buy signal, but Grandpa just don't like it. You know what? This could be. This could be a M. We might get an M. Let's see. What do we got going on here? Well, here's the 4 hour. We got a W here, and it went up there. And that's not the right one. What one was I looking at? Here's the 50 minute. Okay, all right. So we go up, down, up, somewhere up here. And then we go down and get Grandma's 232. So we could see an M here. We've got the possibility of a bounce, maybe up to 244, 245, who knows. And then the M brings us down to Grandma. And then after that, we're going to make a W. And we're going to win. Look at this W here Grandpa was wondering about. I'll clear out some of this stuff so you can see my beautiful candles. All right. Here we had a M, okay, and then we made a W. And this was a beautiful W. Look at here. Down, up, down, and up to our swing high fake out. And now we're going to go down here to 232. Get on the bus. All good things are from the Lord. Lord willing, Grandpa will come back later today and talk about swing highs and swing lows and the importance of getting on the bus. It's an opportunity. The the dominant trend is up. We are gonna go up right after we go to 232. See you later. Bye bye.